Hi, welcome to another episode of Book Covers DIY. Today I'm going to introduce you to a fantastic tool for those of you that are making coloring books. You can find this tool at ColoringBook.ai or click my affiliate link in the description box below. When this company first approached me asking if I wanted to do a collab, I didn't answer right away because I wanted to try it out for myself and make sure it passed my three main standards. So those standards are, number one, it has to be user-friendly. This tool is extremely easy to use, and I will show you just how easy in just a second. My second standard is that it is worth your time. You don't want to put a lot of effort into something and then it comes out with a poor result. The results are great quality for a coloring book, so it passed number two. And then the third standard is that it's worth the dollar amount. The one I am on is the professional one, and it gives you 1,000 coloring pages per month. So it is a fantastic plan. So again, after I passed all three of my standards, I went ahead and told them, yes, I would like to collab, and it's of no cost to you. But if you do decide to join, please use my affiliate link, and I will earn a small commission from that. So I just wanted to be upfront and let you know that I would never promote anything that I was not able to use or even try out for myself. All right, so when you first come to ColoringBook.ai, we're going to click on Login and Register. Now you notice across the top we have this menu here. Okay, so you can either go through these one by one, but I actually prefer to go to the dashboard. Okay, so here we are on the dashboard, and you can see we have more controls and features here, and that's why I prefer to use the dashboard. Okay, so let's start with the first one, image to coloring page. I'm going to click on upload your image, and then I have these two photos of my dogs, and open. All right, so here I have my little bear. I'm going to preserve faces. I'm not going to remove the background. I'm going to leave it. I'm not going to click upscale because I think the photo's okay. And then, yes, I do want this to be private. This is a premium feature as well as the upscale. I'm not going to remove the watermark in this one so you can see what it looks like. Over right here on the batch, this is how many you want it to generate. I only want it to do 2, and then let's just generate now. It's going to take 2 credits away. All right, so here we go, and it works pretty fast. See, I have 2 versions here. I think I'm going to go with this one. I like kind of the square grid in the background, and I'm just going to click on download PNG and download PDF, and we'll check those out. So now that those 2 are done, I'm going to click in here again, picture of Paloma. Open. Okay, same thing. We're going to preserve faces. I'm going to leave the background. I don't think I need to upscale. I think it's fine. I want to generate 2 images. I want it private. On this one, I am going to remove the watermark. Again, this is a members only feature, so this will not be available if you're trying out the free version. Generate now. 2 credits because I'm creating 2 photos, or 2 coloring book pages actually. Again, it's going to take less than a minute. All right, so here we are. Look at this one. I love this one right here. They are both so cute, but I do like the darker eyes and the nose on this one. So here we go. I'm going to download this PNG and download the PDF. So here are the 2 photos, and then let me show you the bottom. So here is that watermark down here where it says ColoringBook.ai. If you have the Pro version like I do, there is no watermark on here. You see, that's so cute. I think I'm going to print that out, maybe send it to my nieces. All right, so this is the photo to coloring book feature. Again, you can upload your own photos, or you can always go to a place like Pixabay, royalty-free images, and here's some great photos you can download and then use those over on ColoringBook.ai to create your own photos like I did of my dogs. So that is the image to coloring page feature. Now we're going to move on to the text to coloring pages. Okay, this one I really liked playing around with. I especially love the features down here, and we'll talk about those in a second. So this is your basic, AI prompt box where you type in what you want. I'm going to type in, let's see, a cute hamster with big eyes, wearing a party hat and standing by a lopsided birthday cake. So for this one, I'm going to choose children ages 5 to 10. So here it's letting you see toddlers is going to be, very, very minimalist. Then children 5 to 10, a little bit more details. Teenagers, much more detailed. And then for adults, it's going to be definitely way more detailed with background and foreground and everything. All right, so we're going to click on children ages 5 to 10, and then we're going to choose the size we want. If you're doing an 8.5 by 11, you'll want to do this 2 to 3 ratio. If you're making one of those square coloring books are really popular, like 8.5 by 8.5, you can choose a 1 to 1 ratio, and then landscape. All right, again, batch is how many you want to generate at once. I'm fine with 2. And then here's some of our features. Let's make this private, high print quality, definitely suitable for printing. Here's the difference here, standard quality and then high print quality. And then I want to remove the watermark. Okay, so this is going to take 2 credits, but we have plenty of credits over here. Let's generate now. All right, we have our cute little hamster with his big eyes and his birthday cake. Let's go ahead and download both of them. All right, so here are 2 cute little hamster coloring book pages side by side. You can choose which one you want to use in your coloring book. This time, let's work on a toddler coloring book. Maybe it's an alphabet coloring book. A cute fire truck with big cartoon eyes next to the letter F. And we're going to click on toddler, and let's click on that. Oh, this is kind of fun. Okay, so right here there was a missing eye, but that's why I said it's good to do 2. I'm actually kind of liking this idea. It didn't put the F next to it, but it kind of hid it in the truck, which that would be a great concept of a coloring book. It's like find the letter F on the fire truck or find the letter L on the lion. That would be really fun and cute idea. But this one is adorable right here. I'm going to download the PDF for that one. And let me go ahead and do another one. All right, here we go. Now this one did not have the Z unless it's hidden in there somewhere. Of course, if you're using, some other tool like Canva, you can always just still use this cute image and then go into Canva and add a text box with the letter Z. But this one is adorable right here. I love this one. So let's go ahead and download that one. All right, so here are those 2 colors. You can see how clean those are. Like they're not blurry. We have our big bold lines. Those look fantastic. All right, so let's move on to teenagers. All right, and here we go. We have 2 options here. This one's a little bit more scattered. I'm kind of liking this one here where it's all together. Okay, so let's download this one. I'm just going to download the PDF. Look how detailed that is. No blur. I mean, I have a pretty big monitor and I'm looking at this and I don't see any blurriness whatsoever. Oh, look at this. It even has a little bit of a shadow there. That and right there, that is fantastic. Okay, these are great quality. Now let's go to the adult category. Now the one for adults should be a lot more detailed. And oh yeah, look, definitely. I love this one here. I mean, this one is good too, but this one is fantastic. Okay, so let's download this. All right, so here is our tea party. Look how much detail is in there. Look at those. We got leaves and flowers in the trees. We've got like mountains here, but they are almost like quilted. It's very quaint and cozy looking. You could even call this, a quaint and cozy coloring book. And again, very good quality, very good line work. All right, so you can see how great these features are. This is my favorite feature that I don't have to go into detail and find the right prompt for my age group. All I have to do is click one of these categories. Makes it so much easier. All right, now let's go over to batch mode. Once you're in batch mode, you're going to be able to generate so much faster to get those coloring books done and published. All right, so let me show you. So right here we have a menu. We're going to start with image to coloring pages, and all you have to do is upload images, which is actually what I did. I have some photos of her kittens actually. I'm just going to click on this one. I'm going to hold down Shift so I can select multiple. So there's 4 little cute kittens there. I'm going to click on open, preserve faces, and I do want to upscale just in case like maybe this photo is blurry. I can't really tell. Okay, so I have 4 photos. You could do more than that. Each photo is 1 credit, but I want to do 2 of each photo. So we got 2, 4, 6, 8. That's going to take 8 credits. Okay, so I'm going to generate now. That was image to coloring page where we upload our images. Let's go to text to coloring page. All right, guys, this is the best feature of the whole site, and I'm going to show you why. It says, please enter your prompts in batches, 1 per line. Let's say we're doing a coloring book featuring pigs or cute pigs. So let's type in cute pig wearing a tutu. Then I'm going to hit enter and it's going to go to the next line. Cute pig wearing a top hat and bow tie. Enter. All right, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so you can go on and it allows, look right here, it allows up to 30 prompts at a time. Guys, that would cover 30 pages at once. So once you have in, up to 30 prompts, you're going to click on next step. And then here it's going to say enter your props and press enter to confirm. You just want to make sure these are all right. You can still go in here. You can delete some or edit them if you need to. And then over here is our difficulty levels. For this one, we're going to be making this for children ages 5 to 10. Let's say 8.5 by 11. And I do want to generate 2 images per line here. All right, so let's generate now. And we're going to wait. I tried this earlier with some frogs, and I'll show you those are really cute. But let's see what these little cute pigs look like. Oh, I'm already loving this. These are adorable, guys, and they are... It is done for you. These are so great. This pig in bikini is so cute. It's simple, but it does have some extra detail. You got the water in the background, you know, age appropriate details, especially if they're learning to color in the lines, things like that. Here's our pig in a top hat, and here's our cute little chef pig. And here is our tutu dancing pig with a barn in the background, fence, and some cute flowers. Again, the quality is fantastic, details. And the expressions, that's the thing I'm most surprised about. Look, they all have different expressions. So cute, so adorable. And then my favorite one of this group is this cute little pig in space. All right, now let's check out the frogs. I must have done these in 1:1 ratio because, yeah, these are square. Okay, I just noticed something. I made these without upscaling the image, and I can see, I mean, they're still a really great quality, but I do see that they are not as great quality as the pigs here where I used upscale image. So I think I made these before I had the pro version, or I didn't click that image, but I can see the difference. The lines just aren't as crisp on the frog as they are on the pig image. That one is so cute with the little tutu there. This one showed up with a little bit of green coloring on it, which you could either regenerate again or put this image in a Canva and just put remove, you know, like background color. And then here's our little tuxedo guy. Again, I can see the difference. This one is so much more crisp. So I would definitely say the professional plan is very much worth it because, yeah, I can see a difference in the quality. All right, so that was our batch generator text to coloring page. And again, this is my favorite because you can do so many at once. You just type it in and hit enter to go to the next line, and you can do 30 pages all at once. Imagine how much time that saves from either drawing or generating one by one. To do all 30 at once is fantastic. If you click on generation history, you can see the previous generations you did. And then there's one more feature I do want to show you, and it's just this fun online coloring feature that you can, you know, use for yourself or for your kids, keep them busy. If you click on online coloring, scroll down and click on browse all free coloring pages. Now, these are not pages that you would want to use in your own coloring book because a lot of them are licensed. As you can see here, we have Spider-Man, you know, Mickey Mouse, Winnie the Pooh, Batman, things like that. You cannot use a licensed product for your own coloring book, but these are fine if you want to just print them out for your kids or for yourself. They are perfectly fine for personal use at home. But there is another feature I want to show you. If I want to color this one, I can click on it. Then it gives me an option. Do I want to download, or if I want to send it to the online coloring studio? So you can just color it, or you can have your kids color it. It's just a really easy, fun coloring tool. Here's your paint palette here. You're going to click on that. You can either use the brush where you're going to brush it in. If you want to undo it, go right here. But I like to just try out this little paint bucket right here. You click on the bucket, and then when you click on the area, it just fills it in. So this is just a fun thing. You can keep your kids busy or yourself. There's some more, you know, more complicated images, of course. Some blue hair. Just a fun activity your kids can do. You can download their coloring page afterwards, after print it out for them. Then if you want, you can save it, and then it'll be over in your coloring record where you can always find it again later. And you can continue coloring it if you didn't get to finish it, or you can delete it. All right, so that is the online coloring area. Again, there are over 5,000 free coloring pages that you can color them online on this feature, or print them out and color them with actual markers, crayons, things at home, and you have stuff for all ages. This is a fantastic site. It is ColoringBook.ai. And again, I would greatly appreciate it if you use my affiliate link in the description box below. You can try it out for free, and then of course, to access all the additional features, that would be in the pro version. I definitely definitely think it's worth it. I mean, just the time saver of batch mode, to be able to do 30 pages at once, 30 prompts at a time. Coloring books for kids are usually, 40, 50 pages. Doing 30 at once, you've already done almost all of your book at one time. It's such a time saver and well worth the cost. So be sure and check that out. Link is in the description box below. And guys, let me know in the comment section. I've been considering making an entire video, taking you step by step of the process of making an entire coloring book from beginning to end, even uploading it. If anyone is interested in that, please let me know in the comment section below, and I will start working on that video and so that I can get that out there to y'all. Thanks again for watching, and make sure to subscribe. Definitely check this out. The link is in the description box below. Until next time, bye-bye.